Can you design this? Let's skip the slides and master Fusion 360 by doing. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint in this edge. And the first thing that we make, we create a line here with 8 millimeters and a line here with 25 millimeters. And we will create this sketch here. And we'll put the other dimensions later. So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch, select the right plane, select a line, click here in the midpoint, make a line here with 8 millimeters, another line here with 25 millimeters, and here we'll create the other line, and this line here has 100 millimeters and this one has 25. So go to sketch dimensions, select this line here, the distance here 100 millimeters and the distance here 25 millimeters. Now finish this sketch. We needed to extrude this 50 millimeters. So go to extrude, select this profile, the direction we will select symmetric, measurement whole length, and the distance here 50 millimeters. Operation new body and press OK. Now we will create this cut here. So to create this, we will select this face and we will create the sketch in this face here. And here we have a circle with 20 millimeters of diameter, and the distance between the center of the circle and the midpoint is 55 millimeters. So go to create a sketch and select this face and select the circle. Make a circle here with 20 millimeters of diameter and go to sketch dimension, select this point and select the midpoint here. The distance 55 millimeters, and make sure that the circle is horizontal with the midpoint. It must be in the center of this face. So go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and select the midpoint. Now finish the sketch and go to extrude, select this profile, and in the extended type, select all and flip the direction. The operation here is cut and press OK. And here we finish your exercise. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.